Welcome to the Englishman RV channel. Have you ever suddenly found that one of your RV water tanks is leaking? If you have, then you really have one of two options: fix the leak or replace the entire tank. In this video I will discuss my own experience with this problem and how I resolved it after several failed attempts and without replacing the entire tank. This happened to me a short while after taking delivery of my previous brand new RV. We decided to go on our first trip to a local state park. The site only had electric hookup, so we needed to fill the onboard water tank. A few days before our trip, as part of my initial inspection of the new RV, I connected the freshwater hose to my house water supply and started to fill the RV freshwater tank to test the pump and all the water system was working. After several minutes of running the water, I noticed water under the RV. Thinking this was an open drain for the tank, I went to turn this off only to find that it was already turned off and the water was running down the drain pipe. The first thing to point out is that these tanks are made from polyethylene, which looks like plastic, but plastic repairs will not work. So after further inspection, I found that the leak was where the drain met the tank, either due to bad manufacturing on the tank or someone hit the drain during towing. My first attempt was to try outdoor silicone, the same silicone that is used to seal windows and doors. So first thing, I drained the tank, dried off the drain that was leaking, and I also used a dryer to dry off any remaining water. I then refilled the tank and monitored the leak. Once the tank had about 20 or so gallons in it, it started to leak again. Undaunted, I repeated the process using a few different sealers. Unfortunately, they all failed at one point or another during the filling process. Finally, I decided to try Flex Seal. I have used Flex Seal tape a while back on my pool liner and it worked very well in that application. So I purchased the Flex Seal spray and repeated the drain, dry and seal process again. Then refilled the tank to capacity, all 60 gallons. The Flex Seal held tight without any leaks. We went on our camping trip. The tank held up very well. In fact, it held up for several months and multiple trips while I waited for the manufacturer and the dealer to decide who was going to replace the damaged tank. Even though we replaced the camper, I still carry Flex Seal tape and Flex Seal spray in our new camper. Thank you for watching this video. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, as this helps me with producing new content.